The Clarke CBS45MD metal cutting bandsaw is a top-selling general-purpose metal cutting bandsaw which combines sound performance with excellent value for money. The performance of this powerful bandsaw justifies its place in any workshop involved in the cutting of bar, tube and profile up to 6 inches by 4.5 inches or 150 by 105 millimeters. The CBS45MD's quarter horsepower 230 volt motor will power its blade through metal stock accurately and quietly, leaving a true and clean cut edge requiring little extra fettling. Suitable for the professional or DIY user, whether it's brass, alloy or steel you need to cut, the CBS45MD will save you a lot of hard sawing and sparks. To best suit the material being cut, the saw has 3 blade speeds of 20, 29 or 50 meters per minute. The speed is selected by the position of the drive belt on the drive pulleys. A safety switch on the pulley cover lid ensures that the saw cannot operate when the lid is open. A further safety feature is the combined on-off no-volt release switch, which prevents the saw from starting up after a power cut. The CBS45MD features a spring tension arm control to adjust the pressure of the blade on the work. This will help to ensure long blade life and also reduce overheating of the workpiece. A blade tracking adjustment knob ensures that the blade runs true on the drive rollers. A workpiece holding vise is included, which can be adjusted for cutting angles between 90 and 45 degrees. If you have detail cutting of plate material to carry out, the CBS45MD can be simply converted into a vertical bandsaw, incorporating the included work table. With a convenient handle and twin wheels for workshop mobility, a stand with storage tray bringing it to a convenient working height, plus its impressive performance, the excellent value for money CBS45MD will give you many years of great cutting service.